Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a question we're often faced with. How do I reach more people? Not only that, how do I get them to engage with my content, right? In this video, I'll give you a quick look into placing hotspots and clickable areas into your videos to make them far more effective and engaging. And as you can see, it's all about drag and drop, right? Easy. You pick the colors, you can manipulate the hotspots to your liking, as you can see here as I'm doing. And ultimately what you'll want to do is choose wherever you want the hotspot to be in the video, and from there you can assign certain actions to the hotspot. For the purpose of this video, we're going to keep it short, but I'll make an entirely different video focusing on actions themselves, so you get a deeper look into how everything works and connects. There's no action, meaning nothing happens. Next up is the go to your website action, which, as you guessed it, it goes to the URL that you place within the action. Move to the next video, image, meaning if you have another video within the editor, you can assign the action to move there, which is great for interactive walkthroughs and stuff like that. We've got the open pop-up, which is something that we'll get on to in a different video, but basically allows you to go to a pop-up that you've created, creating a certain depth to your videos. The jump to time, meaning you can specifically assign the time of the video for where you want your viewer to go in case you click this button. So let's say you click a button that says to the end. They click the button, it goes to the end. The pause and play video actions speak for themselves. Basically, you can assign any clickable area to be either the pause or play button of the video. So next up, we're going to talk about the interactive element, which is the clickable area. So it's kind of like a hotspot, except it's just an area that you highlight and can turn into an action. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using the move to the next video action. Let's hit the preview button and see what it looks like. And there we have it. As you can see, the process is quite easy, but best of all, giving your customers these kind of options naturally lowers the bounce rate of your videos, so give it a try.